Hey Baes, it's Rissa May. Welcome to my dorm room. This is the first video that I'm filming not being in my room. First video I'm filming being in my room. So I thought, I just barely got back from Labor Day weekend. I was at home for the weekend and I just got back. But I thought I'd do a little night routine before my roommate got back. So it's 8:45 and I'm just gonna start getting ready for bed. So I'm going to journal and read my scriptures, and then I'm planning on editing a little bit of video today. So yes, and I figured out how to edit video on my laptop, which I'm super excited about because my phone is being stupid. So there you go. But yeah, I've already changed to my pajamas. But here we go. Okay, I'm not quite done with editing for tonight, but my roommate is now in the shower, which is the perfect time to start like brushing my teeth and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go do all that stuff and then I'll come back to this once I'm done. So we're gonna do that first. Gotta take out my wild hair. Over the weekend, I recolored my strip. Now it's like crazy red. So that's fun. Ta-da! There's that. Now I like to turn on my UV light on my lamp, which is that one, because it cleans germs. So I'm gonna set it on my computer and on my desk so that it cleans germs while I'm getting ready for bed. So let's go get ready for bed. Okay, so I brushed my teeth and took off my makeup. I still have to wash my face, but like I said, my roommate's in the shower and my face wash is in the bathroom where she's showering, so I have to wait for her to get out. So I'm going to turn down my bed and then go back to editing until she's done and then wash my face. Almost 9 o'clock. My roommate is awake, but I still want to whisper. I just finished eating breakfast and I showered and I'm about to do my makeup. Class doesn't start until 9:30, so I have 4 as we go along today. So, okay, I just finished with my first class. Now I'm walking back to my dorm to change into some workout clothes so that I can go to my weights class. Okay, I'm back at my dorm. I changed into my workout shirt. Okay, so now I have my weights class, and then once I'm done with my weights class, I either go eat lunch or I come back here and do homework and then go eat lunch right before my next class. So, or sometimes I'll take a nap, which I might do today because I was up all night because my roommates are... Okay, that's all you need to know. That's all the information. I'm not gonna spill tea on my roommates. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to weights and then I'll probably eat lunch right after and then come back and take a nap. Just kidding, I have homework, but I could do that in between my next two. I have big gaps between my classes today, so I usually take a nap during one break and then do homework during the other, depending on how much homework I have. So we'll see when I get back, but that's the plan right now. After my workout, I go eat lunch, and then I come back here. Maybe take a nap, maybe do homework, go to class, come back, maybe take a nap, maybe do homework, go back to class, come back, and then I'm done with school. There is an activity tonight, but I don't know if I'm gonna go to that because it's dodgeball, and I hate dodgeball, so it's probably gonna be a no, but we'll see. And there's the bell tower. I just got done with my gym class, and I'm gonna go eat lunch. I broke my nail during class today, and my nails are very fragile because I don't do extensions anymore, and so they're getting very fragile, and it broke during class. But I'm about to go get lunch, and then I'm gonna go back to my dorm and rinse off because I'm sweaty, and then do some homework. So yeah, that's the plan right now. But the workout was good. We didn't really do much, but it's super, super hot in there, and we warm up on the football field, so I sweat because it's so hot outside. So yeah, but let's go to lunch. Okay, I just got done eating lunch, and I'm heading back to my dorm. They gave me the wrong sandwich, and if you know me, I'm not really big on meat, especially chicken. Actually, I can handle some chicken, but not most. And they gave me the wrong chicken. Like, I wanted chicken salad, and they gave me grilled chicken, which was gross. So, like, I'm pretty picky with my chicken. Like, if you tell me what part of the chicken it is, I won't eat it. Or, like, depending on the texture or the taste, I'll gag when I'm eating it. And so that particular sandwich made me gag. But, so I'm glad I put, like, extra stuff on it. But I was like, bruh, I circled chicken salad. I wanted my chicken salad. Okay, just got out of the shower. I'm gonna wear that, just hopefully flatten my hair a little bit. And now I'm gonna do some homework. I have about an hour until my next class. I wanted to explain lunch a little bit. So when you go in, you can choose the deli, or they have like a little cooking place. I don't know. I usually go to the deli for lunch. I haven't gone there like something hot from there for lunch yet, but I go to the deli. You can choose the kind of bread you want, what meat you want, what cheese you want, what toppings you want, and what sauces you want. So today I thought I got chicken salad sandwich with olives, ranch, and cucumbers on white bread, but instead I got grilled chicken, which is fine. I'm over it. Everything's fine. Yeah, so then with the meal plan, you get a choice of a side, which you can either do like a side salad, a fruit cup, chips, or I think there's one more thing, but I usually just always get chips. I didn't eat mine today. They were running low on chips, and they didn't have my favorite one today, so I just grabbed this one, and I'll probably eat it later. It just did not go well with my sandwich. So yeah, but then you also get a fountain drink with the meal plan. So one swipe of your meal plan card is the sandwich, the side, and the drink. My meal plan, I get 7 meals a week. So if I don't use one per day, then I can stack them up on multiple days and so on and so forth. I'm gonna do my homework. I'm done with class. That was probably the longest class period I've had like this whole semester. It was so long and so boring. But I'm back now and I have about 30 minutes until my next class starts. So I'm kind of just chilling. I have to read this book now. I have to read pages 7 through 19. I wanted to give a little tip about textbooks. I didn't order any of my books until I got to class, and here's why. So my History of 1700 class, I got to class and he was like, did anybody see how many books you're supposed to get? And like a few people raised their hand, and he was like, how many people have already bought those books? And a few people raised their hands. And he said, well, you don't need 2 of them, so sell them. And I hadn't bought them yet, so I didn't need to worry about that, and I just bought the one that he required us to get. So that's my tip, is wait to buy your books until after you go to your first day of class or your second day of class, just when they talk about textbooks, so that you know which ones you're actually supposed, like what you're actually supposed to need, what you'll actually need, as opposed to what the syllabus says you should have. And then I got all of mine from Amazon. I had to get this one brand new, this one brand new, this one brand new, and this one brand new. I think one of them might actually be used, but this one is used and it was like $8 or something like that. So you can buy, for the most part, you can buy used textbooks on Amazon, and they're a lot cheaper, a lot cheaper. And then at the end of semester, when you don't need them anymore, you can sell them to other students at your college. So the way that we do it is we do it through the Snow College app, which has like a buy and sell section. So you can like post the books and be like, I have these, I'll give, like, pay me $10 and you can have them or whatever. So that's my tip for textbooks. Okay, it is now 3:20-ish, 3:18, and I'm about to go to my last class of the day, and then I also have to drop off a packet for work at the administration building. I'm done with classes for the day. Now I'm just waiting for my boss to answer me. I texted her, I don't know where she is, to drop off this packet. There's tooling in a building. I think this is where all of this stuff is. I don't know, but here I am. Also, there's a friggin' bride and groom out there. I think they might be taking pictures, but I'm like, why would you do it on Snow College campus? Like, did you meet here or something? I don't know, but it's very weird. I'm very confused by this. Look at this. Like, do you see that? What is this? Oh, they're walking. Oh, they're walking under the bell tower. What the? Okay, it's 8:15 now. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot that I was recording today. It's kind of been a rough afternoon, but I've been crocheting for like 2 hours, and I'm still gonna crochet while I watch a movie, because that's what I want to do to relax for the rest of the night. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed my day in the life of a college student. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.